Jambo. Jambo. Hello. Want to start learning Kiswahili but you don't know where to start? Then we must build it from the ground up, brick by boring brick. A strong foundation bridges to unthinkable heights. So let's look at the foundation of the Kiswahili language. Karibu kwenye somo letu la mizizi ya Kiswahili. Welcome to a lesson about the roots of the Kiswahili language.
Leo tutasoma vokali.
Vowels are called vokali in Kiswahili. Vokali za Kiswahili. English vowels, vokali za Kiswahili. English vowels, vokali za Kiswahili. We study the vokali za Kiswahili because they are the building blocks of all words. Vokali za Kiswahili are the roots and the backbone of its spoken and written version. For that reason, it's often noted that the best way to start learning Kiswahili is to master the vowels, vokali za Kiswahili. Kuna vokali 5 katika lugha ya Kiswahili. Look familiar? That's because Kiswahili uses the same letters as most Western world languages, such as English, French, and all other languages based on the Latin script. Vokali za Kiswahili might look the same as English vowels, but they sound different in the language of the motherland. In Kiswahili, A, E, I, O, U becomes A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U becomes A, E, I, O, U.
A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U.
A like in pasta. E like in egg. E like in milk. O like in omelette. U like zucchini. A like in Alice. E like in Ella. E like in Ian. O like in Oscar. U like in Mulan.
A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U.
A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. English vowels, vokali za Kiswahili. English vowels, vokali za Kiswahili.
A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, E, 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 I, O, U.
Pole pole usiogope safari, hatua ndogo zina maana kubwa. Kila siku ni nafasi mpya, moyo wako unakuwa taratibu. Usijilinganishe na wengine.